Then Kadri Rabia Basri, Zaid Lohia, Ilma Rathod, Hussein Juneja, Ghazi Abbas. Chalo, Kudano Shukar, 20 girls, around 20, 19 to 20 girls are there. Great. Chalo, let's start with our portion.
Sir, would it करो इल्मा?
Ilma will read the question number 7. Chalo, Ilma, read question 7,
Okay,
bacha.
sir.
Okay.
A room is 4 centimeter long and 3 centimeter 50
3
4
meter,
meter 4 meter
50
long
centimeter
meter wide. How
wide.
many square meters of carpet
Carpet is needed.
carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room?
The question is what? The room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. That means length and breadth is different. Am I correct? Now, in that, how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor? So, whatever length and breadth, we multiply whatever area we get for this rectangle floor, that will be the area of carpet to be required in square meter. કાર્પેટ ક્યાં પથરાય? અરાઉન્ડ મેઝરમેન્ટ તો હોય નહીં. કાર્પેટ તો ફ્લોરમાં વચમાં જ પથરાવાની છે. યસ ઓર નો?
Yes.
Are you getting the content, bachcha party? So very
Yes,
easy,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
As simple as this. જે room no area મળે, that will be our square meter to complete the carpet. So this conversion has to be known, aware from your side. 3 meter 50 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. So it will be 3.50 meter. Understood? 4 meter and 3.50 meter. That's it. Got it? Now you have to multiply length into breadth. Area of rectangle means what? Length into breadth. Let's complete the answer. Length of the room is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter, which covers 3.50 meter. Understood this content, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Sir.
area of carpet will be what? Length into breadth, 4 into 3.50, which covers 14 meters square.
Yes,
So
sir.
at conclusion, you have to write this conclusion. Therefore, 14 square meter carpet is, square meter carpet is required to cover the floor. Am I correct? You have to simply
Yes.
write therefore like this. Therefore, so our problem concept is over. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, question
sir.
number 8. Chalo, okay.
Sir,
Question
can I
number,
read?
हाँ बेटा, कौन read करसे?
Sadia Qureshi.
Sadia will read the questions. Chalo. Question
A
8 बेटा.
floor is a 5 meter long and 4 meter wide.
એટલે
A
ફ્લોર શું
square-
થઈ ગયો? લોંગ અને વાઇડ આપેલું છે. That means rectangular floor થઈ ગયો. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. હવે
A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpet.
ઓકે, હવે કોણ સમજાવશે ક્વેશ્ચન? There is what? A rectangular floor. Okay. Whose length and breadth is what? એને આપણે કાપી નાખ્યો. 1 મિનિટ. ચલો. રેક્ટેન્ગ્યુલર ફ્લોર છે આપણો. એમાં 5 meter long છે. That means this part is of 5 meter. Okay. આ છે 5 meter છે અને આ છે 4 meter છે. Okay. Girls, Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
એમાં સ્ક્વેર કાર્પેટ પાથરે છે which is meter of one side. એમાં શું કરે છે? સ્ક્વેર કાર્પેટ પાથરે છે. ઓકે, of 3 meter. રફ ડાયાગ્રામ છે, એમાં કોઈ એક્યુરસી નથી. Hear you. Now
Yes. Sir, can I tell?
તો બોલને હું ક્યારનો રાહ જોઉં છું. વેરી ઇઝી.
પહેલા છે ને 5 અને 4 ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનો.
મલ્ટીપ્લાય શું કામ કરવાનું છે? કાંઈ કરું મલ્ટી
સ્ક્વેર અને બ્રેથ ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય નહીં કરવાનું.
કામ? વોટ ઇઝ ધ રીઝન ટુ મલ્ટી? ધ રીઝન એ તો ખરી, ચલ તું કઈ એટલે કરી નાખીએ, પણ રીઝન વોટ ઇઝ why we have to multiply that? Find the area of rectangular floor. Area of rectangular floor. કઈ છે કે નહીં? Equal to length to breadth. Area of rectangular floor માં length કેટલી છે? 5 meter.
5 meter.
4 meter. સમજ પડે છે શું કામ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યું બચ્ચા? Because we have to find the area of the floor. આખી રેક્ટેંગલ નો એરિયા મળશે, પછી એમાંથી આપણે ઓલા સ્ક્વેર ના એરિયાને માઇનસ કરશું.
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
4 5 are 20.
Yes.
20 છે ટોટલ એરિયા ઓફ રેક્ટેંગ્યુલર ફ્લોર. સમજાયું કે નહીં? નાઉ the second step will be area of a square carpet. Square, sorry, અરે area of square carpet is equal to side into side. What is the formula to find the area of a square? That will be side into side. So side is given 3 meter here. 3 meter into 3 meter. You will get what? You will get 9 square meter. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, what is our main content to find the area which is not carpeted? I will do this some continue over here. Area or we can write non-carpeted area is equal to area of floor minus area of square carpet. Any doubt with this?
No.
समझाणु के न समझाणु? What we are doing here?
समझा. Yes. Yes, sir.
Length of the floor is 5 meter and the floor will be lent into side of a square is given to square of floor that is not answer. આવ્યો કે નથી આવ્યો? ને બચ્ચા, has any doubt?
No, sir. Sir.
ચલો start with by reading.
Beds
છે એક લેન્ડ છે. લેન્ડ છે રેક્ટેંગલ 5 it was. No area square beds are there. Bed નું measure bed નો એરિયા શું હશે? 5 flower land નો મીટર સ્ક્વેર માંથી મીટર કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Same as sum number 8. Not a single thing is new. Only the new thing is એકનું મેઝરમેન્ટ નથી આપ્યું, 5 ફ્લાવર બેડ્સ નું મેઝરમેન્ટ. સમજાયું? Come to the answer column. Answer number 9. Side of a square bed is 1 meter. Square bed ની એક side 1 meter. Area of bed is side into meter into back. આ થઈ એક સ્ક્વેર બેડ ની, બરાબર ને? એક સ્ક્વેર ફ્લાવર બેડ ની વસ્તુ. So have in the question 5 flower bed. Now 5 square beds. That clear? Length of the land to 4. Area of the remaining part will be of total land, area of tower bank. But he has out with this.
Sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure na bachcha party? Are you sure bachcha party? That's what I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this question, for almost is over for your following figures in the areas. The areas of this. Okay, boys as girls. One rectangle, this one is there, this one is find the area. But the length and breadth is already given here. This is your homework. Same way for question number 7 it is. My ત્રણ diagram છે. I am going to do question number 10 and 11 is your homework. Question number 12 we are going to do here. Question number 12 read karo jaldi. Yes.
Sir. But tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter rectangular region, length and breadth are 100 centimeter, 100 and
Tiles అయితే શું છે? And breadth given 12 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter. Regular આપણી પાસે tiles common for both of these to find how many pieces of tiles will be required this area and for area length and breadth આપેલી છે બંનેમાં land only છે કે નથી?
yes, sir.
Getting my point? So area of rectangular region, area of rectangular region will be length into breadth, L into B, so 100 centimeter multiply by 44, you will get 14400. That means 1400 square centimeter. Correct? For the first one. Now area of tiles. Area of tiles પેલા જ કાઢી નાખીએ બંને માટે કોમન જ છે. સર નો એરિયા ઓફ ટાઇલ્સ આપણે પેલા કાઢી to L into B. Area of rectangular tile is equal to length is 12 centimeter to breadth is what 5 centimeter. 12 into 5 here. The common tile for both. Tile has centimeter area. Total for the first answer number A. Area we got is 1000 square meter. Number of tiles, now number of tiles required is equal to area of on area of tile. Understood? Anybody has any doubt here? Have to do. આપણે number of tiles જોવાની છે ને, how many number of tiles is required in the given areas. Number of tiles required is equal to area of region. Number of tiles will be 14,400 per centimeter upon t square centimeter. Square centimeter વયું ગયું. ખાલી tiles વધી. 0 got cancelled here. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, and 0 as it is. Am I right? 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 4s are 12, and 0 as it is. So, all pieces required for that region. 240 piece of tile.
Sir.
Understood the content? 240 pieces of tiles will be required for the first region. Second will be your homework. The same method, same pattern you have to. Anybody has any doubt now?
No.
Our chapter is over. Clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this chapter?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Yes.
Ari
Yes, sir.
Okay, बच्चे चलो. Now our next topic. The topic, bit of lengthy topic, but all the content angles. What? Tell me how many parts of an angle, types of right angle. Now, who will tell me what do you mean by right angle? Anyone tell me what do you mean by right angle? Angle which is 90 degrees known as the right angle.
Sir.
What do you mean by straight angle? What do you mean by straight angle? Tell me. Forming the whole 80 degree.
Straight angle.
What do you mean by complete? Yes.
An angle having the whole of
Very good, bacha. Angle have all around measurement of mass angle.
And completing.
Are you clear with this content?
Sir.
Do you have any doubt with this? 90 degree can be in this, also known as 90 here. એમ જજ ના કરી શકીએ સર આમ જ શીખવાડ્યું. Can say that it may be like this also. Should. Even this is also known as 90 degree. Also is known as 90. Can be in any direction. 90 degree can be direction. That all clear, girls? Same way, if out for the straight line, degree to here also is 180 degree. Here to here also it will be as 180 degree. Calculated slant line also. Never judge any direction by a 180 નથી થતું. Maybe from year to year like this also. And not judge by any of the direction. You have to recognize. Yeah. Its angle we know કે ગમે તે પાર્ટમાંથી જ્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય અહીંયા પૂરું. Example started from here. Here it will. We know that for this. ત્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થયું અહીંયા પૂરું થયું તો સ્ટાર્ટ થયું ત્યાં પૂરું. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to save this part on my desk. Tomorrow we do have our third lecture. We are going to continue from here and I'll continue for the explanation of the content by recognizing the angles through clockwise and by recognizing angles through direction wise. Okay, north, east, west, south. Is that clear? So I'm going to save this on my desktop and we'll be continue from here by tomorrow in our third lecture. Okay? Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and please refer this chapter from your textbook so that tomorrow when you come